equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the common issue of weight errors in the Thermomix TM5. This problem can be frustrating, but with the right tools and steps, you can troubleshoot it effectively. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a multimeter for electrical checks. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 to ensure safety. Next, remove the base by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base is off, carefully lift the unit to access the internal components. Look for the load cell, which is responsible for measuring weight. Inspect the load cell for any visible damage or disconnections. If you notice any loose wires, gently reconnect them. Now, it's time to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can sometimes interfere with the weight sensor's functionality. If you suspect that the load cell is faulty, you can use a multimeter to test its resistance. Set the multimeter to the resistance setting and connect the probes to the load cell terminals. A reading outside the normal range indicates a problem. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After checking the load cell, reassemble the Thermomix by carefully placing the base back on and securing it with the screws. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any further issues. Once reassembled, plug the unit back in and turn it on. Test the weight function by placing a known weight on the bowl. If the error persists, it may be time to consider further assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. If you're still facing issues, it's crucial to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution to your Thermomix problems. In summary, troubleshooting the weight error in your Thermomix TM5 involves checking the load cell, cleaning the internal components, and testing the functionality. If you follow these steps and still encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We are here to ensure your Thermomix is back to perfect working order in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.